So today we want to do a run test for those LAB cartons. This is the sample you provided us. You didn't ship us too many labels, so we are just using a blank one, which is the similar size of this one. So just to show the process of the labeling and separating those products, we will now do this test run. So as you can see here in the input hopper, you can stack too much of the products in it because they are thicker on one side, so they will stack up and maybe fall out. But this is not really a problem, as you can continuously refill the machine during operation, which we will show you too. And so we will start with the labeling part and the conveyor belt and watch the machine operating. We had to do some adjustment to make the cartons work properly, but as you can see, the alignment of the labels is very accurate. Okay, now we got a jam here because they stacked up there, but yeah, the alignment is pretty good. As you can see, there were already labels on it, so cartons are a little bit damaged, but it's working. So we will now refill the input hopper. It's we didn't plan the to stop the machine, but it's working like that. Or not. Of course, the machine is not 100% optimized. We will do this, of course, in case you place an order. But the principle is working quite good. We will refill it again until our labels are gone completely, so you can really see that it works. Okay, now that was the last label, so thank you for your attention and see you soon.